In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about multiple ways you can connect your iPhone to your smart TV. First things first, your TV has to be a smart TV. So 2018 and beyond, you should be good to go. Secondly, you have to have the TV and your iPhone connected to the same Wi-Fi. So what I mean by that, if you swipe down on your iPhone, go into your Wi-Fi settings by just clicking into them here, going to your Wi-Fi settings, and then just confirm what Wi-Fi network your phone is connected to. Go into the settings of your TV and make sure it's connected to the same network. Once you've done that, the easiest way to do this is just screen mirror, which allows you to mimic anything and everything from your device to your TV. Swipe down from the upper right-hand corner on your iPhone, and you should see an option here that has two rectangles. If you tap into that, that brings up the screen mirroring settings. If you don't see this in your command center here, tap the addition symbol in the upper left-hand corner, and then go to add a control, and then just go to search controls, and then type in the word mirror, and you should see screen mirroring. Tap that, and that will add that to your quick settings here in your command center. Once we've done that, you can select into it here, and then you should be able to see your TV listed here under screen mirroring. Once you do this, know that it's going to mimic everything on your device. So everything you see here will be one-to-one on your TV. That is what screen mirroring does. So once you find your TV, tap into it, and it will begin the process. The next thing I'm going to show you is AirPlay. So you can AirPlay through video apps. So if you're in YouTube here, you're going to see a little icon in the upper corner of each video that is kind of a Chromecast logo, a rectangle, and then a Wi-Fi sign there. If we tap on that there, it will bring up all the different devices that you're connected to. So any TV that you've connected to should show up here if it's connected to the same network. If it doesn't, you can tap into link with TV code right here, and then you just go to your TV. You follow these instructions through the YouTube app, type the appropriate TV code, and you are good to go. Once you've done that, you tap into the display or TV you want to use, and you're able to use your phone as a remote as well. That is the AirPlay feature. If you are in another app like Disney Plus or Netflix, the AirPlay icon will look like this. And that's it. That's how you connect your iPhone to your TV. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. There'll be some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.